Have you ever wondered what causes an avalanche, that sudden rush of snow down a mountain slope? It's a fascinating and complex phenomenon. Three main factors contribute to this natural event. First, steep slopes, which provide the perfect platform for the snow to slide. Second, a heavy load of snow, which adds pressure. Lastly, a weak layer in the snowpack, where the snow can easily separate. Gravity and the snow's internal structure play crucial roles in this process. So, an avalanche occurs when the weight of the snow above a weak layer overcomes the strength of that layer and gravity does the rest. To better understand, consider an avalanche as a recipe with three key ingredients. Firstly, the slope, steep enough to let gravity do its work. Secondly, the snow load, a sufficient accumulation of snow to cause an avalanche. And thirdly, the weak layer, an unstable layer within the snowpack. When these factors interact, particularly during or after a heavy snowfall, it's like shaking a snow globe. The tension increases until, inevitably, it releases. When these three ingredients come together, the mountain serves up a chilling dish known as an avalanche. Now that we know what causes an avalanche, how can we survive one if caught in its path? Firstly, if you notice an avalanche barreling towards you, try to move to the side. Avalanches usually follow the path of least resistance, so shifting to the side might take you out of its direct route. If you can't avoid it, try to stay on top. Just like in water, swimming motions can help you stay afloat amidst the churning snow. But what if you're buried? Try to create an air pocket around your face. This could buy you some precious extra time. Now let's talk about essential safety gear. An avalanche beacon can send out a signal to help rescuers locate you. A probe can be used to poke through the snow and locate buried victims. And a shovel is crucial for digging out those caught beneath the snow. Remember, the best way to survive an avalanche is to avoid one. Always check the avalanche forecast before heading into the backcountry and carry the essential safety gear.